the ground as well as objects that might be obstacles. On the left, you're looking at an infrared capture. We're looking at a flight of a jet engine, a fighter jet, and what we did here was use computer vision to track the exhaust tail of the jet. And I know it's hard to see, but with that label that you're seeing on the jet, there is a number that's associated with it. And that is actually the temperature value of the jet exhaust. And this is something in aerospace and defense that's a critical type of application because the signature or temperature of the object can give away information about it if you're trying to do, let's say, target identification. Another example, which you'll see on your right, is an example of using a depth sensor with Matlab where we're moving a robot around the room and mapping out the environment. And using computer vision to do that means taking a combination of both the depth, which gives us the point cloud, as well as the RGB sensor, which gives us feature information, and building that map up as we move around the environment, which is also important for localization and mapping in autonomous systems. One more example I'll just show you that we have seen increasingly is the whole aspect of multi-sensor fusion. Certainly in autonomous driving and other areas as well, where you have reports from multiple sensors coming in. Where is the car? Radar says it's here, vision says it's here, LiDAR says it's here. How do you combine all of that? So here's an example of a system where we are taking into account the different reports from various sensors, applying sensor fusion, and then using that to provide true vision. Where is the car actually likely to be? And we saw a lot of that in Ganesh's talk earlier. So let's talk about what this entails if you're actually going to design one of these systems. What does the design entail? And typically, there is a workflow to this process. There are some sexy parts that everybody likes and loves to talk about, but then there are the unglamorous, routine things that nobody wants to do, but nobody wants to talk about, but